Prime Minister Narendra Modi has arrived in Colombo, Sri Lanka today. Tomorrow is going to be a big day for the heads of the states of the two countries. The Prime Minister is going to start his day at 9:10 a.m. tomorrow when he is going to be presented with the ceremonial welcome by the President of Sri Lanka, Anura Dissanayake, at the Independence Square here in Colombo. After that, he would be escorted to the Presidential Secretariat where President Dissanayake will have restricted talks with the Prime Minister. High on agenda are defence, healthcare, debt restructuring and more. The leaders are then going to present with the MOUs that are going to be signed between both the countries. After that, there are, of course, going to be the press statements that are going to be released by both the leaders to the media, to the public. And as the evening progresses, the Prime Minister will also be headed to the Indian Peacekeeping Force Memorial, where he will be paying tribute to the martyrs that had fought in the civil war in Sri Lanka back in 1987. Well, after the state banquet, which will bring us to the end of tomorrow, is a new day on April 6th. April 6th in the morning, early morning, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be flying to Anuradhapura. Anuradhapura being a very significant place because it is not just a religious site, it is not just a heritage city, but it is also the hometown of the President of Sri Lanka, Dissanayake. Over there, the Prime Minister, after paying his tribute to the Bodh temple, to the Bodh tree, he will also be inaugurating 2 rail projects which have been built with the help of Indian financial assistance in Anuradhapura. And after that, the Prime Minister's visit in Sri Lanka ends and he will be flying to Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu to carry forward his next leg of visit over there on the occasion of Ram Navami.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.